What up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are with Lincoln, and as you guys can see, our clothing is a little bit different because we got merch. We have our Bacon Bro merch. So if you guys want to buy it, I'll put a link to the thing in the description and stuff, so you guys can buy it.
Yeah, don't mind our pet cat. He's
Yeah, don't mind this idiot right here.
He's just our epic pet cat. Okay,
Yeah,
don't press
he's
the
our
button.
epic pop cat.
I pressed it.
Don't.
Oh, what the? Oh, it's the color game. I will claim this whole wall. Remember the one game in the Simon Says game? You have to.
Oh, and this time is
Color. Give me this. You're fatter, so. Oh wait, it's a 2v1. Get Ty. Get him.
Color.
Stealing ties. I'm stealing ties. Johnny, we're on the same team. It's a 1v2 for some reason. Take all of ties.
No, he's coloring me. No,
No, you're stealing our color.
Oh, by the way, guys, if you guys aren't liked and subscribed, what the heck are you doing? You guys literally need to like and subscribe right now, or we. Oh.
My soccer Beal.
No,
Bull. I'm Cronaldo. Yep, I'm Cronaldo, not Cristiano Ronaldo. I'm Cronaldo.
I'm Lessie. I'm Lessie. Okay,
CR7. He's going.
There's
a barrier on the wall. Oh God.
Yes, go in. No, yes.
Me, I scored it. It said Lifty Rose scored it. Me.
Okay, should I press the button?
Don't. I pressed it. Haha. One of us pressed it. Find the correct pad.
I got this one. Me.
Ow. This one. Ugh. I got it. Haha. I win.
Also, never mind. That's on our separate channels that we'll make.
Haha. I press it.
Press.
Cauldron.
Oh. What the? Big brain.
Wait. Ty.
Big
No,
brain.
our cat.
Big brain. I got big brain.
Our cat.
I have a bigger brain than you. Oh, by the way, if you guys have a bigger brain than me, drop a like and subscribe.
Ty got big brain. I mean, no, Ty got super skinny. And Johnny got big brain, and then I got average skinny. Into the noob.
No.
Ty's got the idea. Oh, I'm going to Johnny. Bye. He wants to eat my bacon man bun.
No, leave. Yes. No. Uh-oh. Hey, no.
I'm going.
I got it in.
We're gonna go out his rectum. Uh-oh. Oh, well, that was epic. I press button. Oh, we have poopy on our head.
Ew, Lincoln.
You have it on your head too, and it's much larger. We all got hit by the tornado. No, our poopy. Dodge it. I will save the day. Oh no.
Fight me. No.
Ty's got the strength. No, Ty.
Fight me. No.
I pressed it. Johnny. Oh, parkour. Hurry. Parkour. 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 Haha. No, I fell. No, Johnny, don't die.
I shall carry on our legacy, Lincoln.
No, Johnny,
I will carry on our legacy.
You must win.
I carry the legacy. Yeah, I did it.
Me. Johnny.
Me. Big brain.
Ronaldo here. Suey. Ronaldo. That was super easy for me to win.
Yeah. Loser.
That was me who won.
I win.
Can you finish the maze? Right,
I go
this way.
You go that way.
Okay. You always go right, guys. That's the strat.
No, always go left. Wait, dead end.
No, the actual strat for mazes is going right.
And we don't go that way. We go this way. Oh.
Did you say shoot like gun?
Yes. shoot like a bang bang.
This way?
Like I did at a bank yesterday.
Boy?
Hey, quit following me. Get away. Get away. I kill yourself.
I found it! I found it! I found it! Ha ha! I win. I win. Pathetic losers.
Oh shoot, dead end.
Ty did it!
Oh, I found
Pathetic.
it.
Pathetic. Pathetic. Pathetic.
I won.
Ay, ay, ay. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh, whoa.
Ay, ay, ay. Don't press the button. Me, I clicked it, haha. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ay, ay, ay. Off the blow dryer. Blow. Die. Clicker.
No, I died.
Blow him away to the skies. Ty, bye bye. Haha. L. Haha. L.
KO.
You can't auto click. You have to hold down. Because the auto clicker shoots one button.
I want to be a picture.
Strong.
Hi, stop.
It looks so good. Wow. I look so stupid.
Nerd. I click the button.
Time to spam click the button. Get ready.
Auto clicker, auto clicker, auto clicker, auto clicker.
Turn it on. Why are we clicking so fast? I can hear the click noise. I don't know why it's so quiet. Imagine.
Exit. Uh-oh. I broke the
Time's
game.
up. The button's been pressed. 696.
I broke
Funny
the
number.
game.
What do you mean? Funny number.
Lincoln, you'll cut to my part in the video right here. Oh, hopefully. I kind of have to like read. I'm just leaving her join.
Yeah, he has to be bid back. Our cat is not stupid enough. Find the key. Key.
Alright, guys. We have 3 more minutes of the video.
Key. Get us out. Get us out. Key.
Guys, we have
That's not the
3
right
more
key.
minutes.
There's so many keys. They're not working.
Key. Grab key.
Which key is correct?
Key.
That key not correct? What about this key? This key correct? Is this one correct? Is this one? Is this one correct? Which one correct? Key right here. I got it! Oh, no good! It was me! I did it! Me did it! Me did! Press button.
Me did.
Me
We have
did!
2 minutes left of the video. Guys, we have
Yeah,
2
'cause
minutes left of the video.
Well, we have a minute and a half, because remember, this is our 10-minute series. Hey, what? I died!
This is part of our 10-minute series. Part of our 10-minute series, so our videos are going to be like 10 minutes long.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm gonna flex my epic muscle. Rah,
Meantime, the finale.
rah, rah.
Epic.
Who will die? Triangle! No, Johnny! Okay, that was close. Watch it like do an epic
Directly aligned.
flip.
Guys, just gonna follow me. I win. Nerd!
Button.
Me click, me click, me
Okay,
click.
this will
me
be our
click.
last button. House! Oh, what the? That will not be our last click, cause that was
One
very
more
short. This will be
button.
our final clicky. Bubble wrap.
Bubble.
Bubble! I did it! Yes! Bubble. Tie fell off. Love bubble.
I will interfere. Come here, Lincoln.
Juked. Juked.
Tag. You're it. You're
You
it.
got juked. You got juked. You did not tag me.
No, I
My screen, I juked you. Haha.
Tag,
Okay, guys.
tag,
We'll
look at it, look at it.
We'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you got new. What the? Well, we'll see you guys in the next video of the 10-minute series.
Whoa,
So, yeah.
Whoa. Secret.
Oh God. But okay. But yeah. So we'll guys see you later. Next, make sure to check our epic merch. It's pretty cheap, only 5 Robux. And since it's only since it's only 5 Bobuk, it's
It's very affordable for homeless people
Yes.
like me and Lincoln.
But yeah, so if you guys like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.
Yeah. Bye.